Congratulations, you made it! Your little one is a whole year old, and now it's time to celebrate with an adorable smash cake photo. I got you covered. In this video, I'll break down everything you need for a DIY smash cake photo shoot. Hi, I'm Erin. I'm a mom of 2 and I'm obsessed with taking pictures. I'm also a Chatbooks superfan. Chatbooks is the ridiculously easy way to share, print, and enjoy your family photos. And when I say easy, I mean easy, especially the month books photo book subscription. Every month, 30 of my favorite pictures are printed and sent right to my front door. My girls love looking at these. Before we dive into some cake, make sure you subscribe to Chatbooks YouTube channel for more genius photography hacks, family photo book ideas, and so much more. In this video, I'm going to share tips for taking professional looking smash cake photos right on your phone. Whether you want something minimalist or easy or truly over the top, I have some great ideas for you. I'll leave the time codes for the different setups below, and don't miss the speed round of alternative photo ideas at the very end. Get ready for a lot of frosting and a lot of fun. If you're looking for something ridiculously easy, here's where you start. Find a blank wall next to a window or door with plenty of indirect light. Set the baby's high chair in front of the wall and add a garland. That's just regular old Scotch tape. Now are you ready for the easiest smash cake trick ever? Buy a graham cracker crust and fill it with whipped cream. You can add some sliced banana too if you'd like. The best part of a smash cake photo is the smash. It's really not about the cake. And if you're a parent who's worried about ingredients, whipped cream is pretty much as simple as it gets, especially if you make it yourself. Plus, I got this crust in the organic section of the grocery store, so you know. If your camera phone has burst mode, meaning it captures multiple pictures for every time you press the button, this is a great time to turn this on. These are action photos, so burst mode is gonna help you capture that perfect moment. Whoops, I forgot to mention, my daughter Chloe is going to be our birthday model today, but she's not quite 1 year old. In fact, she's not even old enough for solid food. I'm gonna use her in these setups so that you can see what these photos look like, but unfortunately for Chloe, she will not be having any cake today. Any smashing you see will be done by our professional cake smasher and older sister, Charlotte. Okay, back to the cake. Add a candle, grab the birthday baby, and start taking those pictures. So cute, and it doesn't get easier than this. This monochromatic set is a great jumping off point for your own creativity. Customize it with your choice of color. You could even add a theme or a character into the mix. Start by grabbing a roll of colorful paper, and you want to attach it to the wall at about chest height. I like to use painter's tape, that way you don't worry about the paint or wallpaper underneath. Bring the paper down the wall and onto the floor and tape it in place. One of the best ways to get the most bang for your buck is a balloon garland kit. I found this one on Amazon for about $20. It comes with a bunch of balloons and this great transparent tape that holds everything into place. I love using these in photos. It looks so beautiful. Now for this photo, let's do a proper smash cake. For the most professional looking cakes, get yourself some 6-inch round cake pans. I'm not going to share a recipe today because every parent has their own opinion about what they would like to feed their child. Find a recipe you love and bake it in 6-inch round cake pans. The second way to do this is to use a 6-inch round cookie cutter. You can cut circles from a 9x13 cake or even from a store-bought pound cake. Just make sure your cake is super cold, even frozen, to get the cleanest cuts. For this monochromatic photo, I'm tinting the frosting with food coloring. Use it, don't use it. It's totally up to you what you are comfortable with. Once the background and cake are in place, get down on the floor, move around to find the best angle. This one is so classic and customizable. We're gonna play around with foreground and background in this next smash cake photo using a beautiful floral theme. For the background, I'm adding paper flowers to the wall. You can find these tissue paper flowers online or at the party store. You can make them yourself, but you have a 1-year-old. Cut yourself some slack and take the shortcut. Pop your high chair into the frame, that way you see exactly where you need to add more flowers. For the foreground, the space in front of the baby, I'm adding a garland and a few sprigs of flowers to her high chair. I like to use faux flowers because they don't wilt and you can use them again in different ways. For the cake, I'm keeping things easy with some pink frosting and simple decorations. Personally, I don't like to use faux or fresh flowers on a cake. I'd rather add frosting flowers, even simple ones like this, that way the baby can have at it. I chose an outfit and headpiece that match the theme, and how magical does this look? I love an outdoor setup, and this woodland smash cake photo has a fun twist. I'm creating a cozy space for Chloe by adding a blanket and a tent. I'm adding a garland from the tent to a tree to tie the whole space together. Instead of a smash cake, try layering waffles with frosting. This is such a cute swap, and it works with pancakes too. This setup can be tweaked to be more foresty or boho depending on the vibe you're going for. So cute, I love this one. Now, are you ready for a speed round of alternative photo ideas? Let's go! If you don't want to use a cake, try a balloon as a great non-food alternative. Take a photo of the cake and candle in focus and the baby in the background. So artistic. Let an older sibling join in on the fun. Or try a close-up of a cake-covered hand or foot to capture those cute baby details while they're still little. You don't need much to turn these moments into beautiful photos. Choose your favorites and print them in a photo book so you can flip through and cherish these first birthday memories forever. I like to print mine using my Monthbooks photo book subscription from Chatbooks. It's a great way to get those photos off of your phone and into your family's hands so they can hold on to what really matters. Maybe get an extra book for the grandparents while you're at it. It's a big milestone for them too. Drop any photo questions in the comments below, and if you're looking for more photo inspo, follow Chatbooks on Instagram. See you soon!